If you want to hear about my empties for the month of March, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène and welcome back, or if it's your first time, welcome to HMM Makeup or Makeup. I am talking empties today and I have over 20, if I'm looking at it properly, over 20 just samples of products to show you that I have worked through. I've kind of put them in little piles here so it won't take super long, but I do believe I have over 20 items to show you here. And a lot of them are foil packets. It's not a whole lot of product. I do want to kind of go through them really quickly, but I also want to acknowledge the fact that some of these were gifted to me and well, basically give thanks to the folks who provided me some samples that I got to play with. Quite a few things. We've got some full-size things and then, like I said, a lot of samples. So let's get right into it. It's right in front of me here, and without further ado, let's hop right into it. Let me just preface this by saying during the month of March, my skin ended up not happy. And you can see it in a couple of videos. I'll just go and take a look throughout the month and find it. I know there are two videos where I was kind of going, geez, my skin's looking so rough. I had a reaction to something and I have not been able to figure out what it was. It made my skin crepey and dry and it hurt and it was very unhappy with me. And I'm not one to have any skin issues, especially my face. So I was really confused and it made for a really rough month of March. Let me just say that much. So I don't know which ones of these products bothered my skin. What I can tell you is I know some products that I would be really surprised if that's what it was, because they're products that have never bothered me. But some other things were new and who knows. So let's just go through what it is that I used. I did use 4 of these Rejuvenating moisturizers. So this is Pericone MD, all the same. When I was using these guys, my skin was so unhappy with me. Whatever irritation I had on my skin, this made worse. And I have used this product before, and for some reason, it really bothered me. So obviously it's irritation that just got worse. With this, not necessarily the fault of this product, the fault of the irritation, but I really don't know what the source is. So once again, it is Essential Effects Acylglutathione Rejuvenating Moisturizer, and it looks like it's all the same. Yeah, I had four packets of these. And these I'm just getting into is Kate Somerville products. I think this is the only cold cream that I have. But I do have a lot of the Wrinkle Warrior, I think 3 more packets of that, so you'll see those next month. I do enjoy cold cream. It tends to be soothing. It was definitely soothing to my skin as I was trying to figure out and deal with the unhappiness this past month. This was quite a soothing product and I enjoy it. I would not pay the price this cold cream is, but cold cream in general I think works really well to just soothe and hydrate the skin. I did use 3 of these, and these are the Vinoperfect from Caudal. I had 3 of them to use, and this is the Radiance Serum Complexion Correcting Serum. All 3 of them are the same. I do like the Caudal serum. It was no issue for me to use that. I also used this really unusual serum. I think I've only used it once before in a packet again, which is the Vichy Liftactiv Serum 10 for eyes and lashes. And that one gave me 3 or 4 uses, so it was not a bad thing for me to use it. Would I buy it? No, but I enjoyed having a sample nonetheless. And I have 3 items from First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty. I had a facial cleanser, and I think that one lasted me 3 uses. And then the Ultra Repair Cream, which I am a very big fan of. I actually have a full bottle of this product in my train case to use whenever it is that I want. But I really enjoyed being able to use these packets, especially since once in a while I do my makeup away from home, and packets like these are really, really useful. First Aid Beauty overall, I tend to like pretty much everything that they put out, and I have used and purchased quite a number of their products over the months and years that since I've discovered them, and it's a pretty solid product line overall, in my opinion. And so is this product, again from First Aid Beauty, and the Coconut Water Cream. So if you want a non-greasy kind of a moisturizer, the Coconut Water Cream is quite nice. I do tend to prefer using it in the summer, but I knew this was not one to irritate my skin, so I knew that right now, given I was having issues with my skin, that this would be one that I was pretty comfortable thinking it was not going to irritate my skin further. So I tried it, used it, and it was great. And here is another one that was a no-brainer. 2 small foil packets of the Algenist Hyaluronic Acid and Collagen Nighttime Cream. I absolutely love the Genius Cream from Algenist, and it's not a chore whatsoever to use these. I love these. I wish I had more of them. Algenist, the Genius Cream is beautiful. It's a treat. It's a treat for my face when I can use the Genius Cream. It's lovely. It's absolutely lovely. It's just horrendously expensive for my taste, for my budget. Which is my budget's this big this year. So yeah, I highly recommend, if you have a chance to try the Algenist Genius Cream, please do so. And a cream that I really did not like for eyes was this Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado. At best, it was a meh. Okay. Do you need to hear more? Probably not. Now this one was from Marielle, from the package that she sent me. I'll put that video right there. And this was the Ici Paris Excel Cleansing Oil. And it is a makeup removing oil for all skin types. And it was lovely. It was lovely. I used it, I think, 3 times to remove my makeup. And it was nice. It was really mild. It did the job, and it reminded me of the package I got from Marielle. So I was happy with that. And speaking of, this was the same, the Les Beiges from Chanel, which is a foundation. I ended up using quite a few times. You can see how messy it is. So I went in there a couple times, 3 times. It did not require a lot of product to cover my face and neck. It was really nice. It was so nice to be able to try a Chanel foundation. And it says Healthy Glow Foundation, Hydration, and Long Wear, and it was in B40. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I don't know what else to say. It's a liquid foundation. You either like those or you don't. And they call it a lightweight hydrating fluid foundation, anti-pollution, urban protection, long wear, radiant, healthy glow. Like I said, I liked it. I liked it enough to use it a number of times until it was gone, and that's all she wrote. And speaking of foundations, this one was one that I finished out of the Advent calendar. This foundation is obviously very, very much done. And I really enjoyed it. And in the Advent Calendar project, I did mention that when I'm through a number of foundations that I have in my collection, this is one that I think I might purchase. The Matte Velvet Skin. It was lovely. This one was a little deep for me. I think it was the 245. I think I'd be like a 220, 225. But I really enjoyed it. It was a good foundation. I just sheared it out it worked for me. And well, it's a testament to the foundation that even though it wasn't quite the right color, that I was able to make it work, and I thought it looked lovely on the skin. So yes, I would definitely suggest the Matte Velvet Skin from Makeup Forever. And I think this is the last sample packet, and this is the They're Real Remover from Benefit. It is called a stripped down waterproof eye makeup remover, and it does exactly that. I think I used it at least 3 times. It's possible that I used it 4 times. I used it to remove my eye makeup, and it did a great job. So I enjoyed the opportunity to try this Benefit product. I have a lot of eye makeup remover right now. I don't need any, but it is one that I will remember when I am ready to buy more eye makeup remover. And now I have a number of full-size products. I have a full-size clear brow gel from ABH. I've had it for so long that the writing has come off the tube. I used it until it was bone dry. There's nothing left on this product. It lasted, I think, for a year. It lasted for a really long time. I now am using a mini of this product that I have left over. Usually I use that for travel, but since I have none of this left and I'm on a no buy, I am using a travel size, whatever's left of that travel size, until that runs out, and then I'll go to another brow freeze type product as I work through my brow products and don't buy more unless I absolutely have to. So if I run out of anything that can fix the brow in place, well, then I'll replace, but I don't need one of these or similar product for a while. I will go in and find kind of an equivalent, and I know I have one, I think from Tarte, and I think I have another one from Benefit. So I'm okay for brow products for a while. Therefore, as much as I love this product, I'm going to not repurchase. I will use the travel size I have and then go from there. Okay, that was repetitive. Moving on. All right, and 2, I think I can call this a full-size product, although I think it's a mini. But it's still 90 ml, 3 fluid ounces. It's not small. This is the Purity Made Simple 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. This lasted me forever. There was so much. And yeah, 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. I would caution that it did bother my eyes a little bit, so I ended up using a makeup remover for eyes specifically, and then using this on the rest of my face. I learned my lesson. I still think it's a good product. It's just not one to be used intensely around the eyes, at least for me. Do I like Purity products? Yes. Do I like the price point? No. But I did have a whole kit that I got as a Christmas set, and that made the cost of each one of the products in the set not cost prohibitive, so I went for it. I like the product, like I said, but I would not seek it out at the regular retail price that Purity goes for. I don't think it's worth that much. I think it's a drugstore brand. I don't think it's high-end. Don't come at me. It's just my opinion. If you love it and you think it's worth every penny, keep getting it. It means it works for you. It just didn't work. It didn't work as nicely as I would have liked. But then again, I may be just misusing the product. But like I said, when I realized it was irritating my eyes, I just didn't use it for eye makeup removing. I used it just as a face cleanser. And next, we have a winning product, an amazing product. I am gushing over this product, and I have scoured Amazon and I cannot find it on Amazon, and I so want more. It is the Recovery Hand Balm for Dry Skin by Ritual of Sakura. So it is a Ritual product. Oh, come on, camera. Come on, come on. Be nice, be nice. There we go. that is the product. It is a beautiful, beautiful cream. It's amazing. It's amazing. So let me just give you an idea. I am dealing with winter still in Canada, although it's late March, so it is getting to be more spring-like. But my skin was getting so dry. My hands and my feet were getting so dry. The skin around my part of my toes was just getting irritated, and my skin, my hands were very dry and cracked. And so this is from Marielle from the Netherlands, and oh my goodness, this cream is amazing. I found some other Ritual creams, not this exact one, but some other ones on Amazon, and it looked like they looked good, but none of them were a hand balm, and this is a hand balm. I want to find this again. This is amazing. It took my feet from a dry mess to soft and supple skin and just lovely, happy feet compared to cranky feet before. And I tried a bunch of different lotions on my feet and was not working. This hand balm, oh my goodness. So out of all of my empties this past month, actually out of all products I tried over the last 2 months, this is the memorable one. It's so good. I mean, so good. If I could give it an A+++, not just #1 product, but #1 product to the power of 10, that's the rating I would give this product. And the smell, the scent is divine. So not only does it work amazingly well, but you smell good when you use it. So I've really enjoyed this one. Thank you so much, Marielle. It was a true Christmas item for me. I felt like a princess anytime I was able to use it, and I was starting to be careful how I was using it so I could get it to last longer. So thank you for that. It is an amazing product, and I'm jealous. I'm jealous you can get your hands on it. Okay, that's it. I've talked enough about that one. And that's it. Those are my empties. I have, I guess, three full-size products, and everything else I showed you were samples. And a big reason for that is because I'm on a no-buy, and I am using up my full shoebox of samples that I have in that set of doors over there. Yeah, it's good. It's been really good for me to go into my samples, and so you'll see a bunch of samples in my empties next month. I hope that doesn't bother you. Little mini reviews, and that's it. I don't have any declutters that I can think of, so that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed the empties and my commentary. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the products or thoughts regarding the products I showed you, please let me know, let us know. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.